Hi, Christmas is just around the corner, and as an employer you might be planning your Christmas party. Exciting time, but the one thing you don't want to end up with is a tax hangover. So the ATO have recently put out some warnings about the tax implications of you holding a staff Christmas party and the Fringe Benefits Tax implications. So what does all that mean? Well, if you throw a Christmas function for your staff off-site at a hotel, restaurant, etc., the cost of providing that would be treated as a fringe benefit, with potentially fringe benefits tax payable. However, if the cost per employee is less than $300, then no FBT is payable. That's good. This exemption also applies to spouses and partners. The exemption applies for each benefit provided. So you might hold a party and it's under $300 a head, and you might also provide a gift. And if that is under $300, then it is also not subject to FBT. So obviously the main theme there is keeping the cost under $300 a head. So the other aspect of Christmas parties is if you actually throw one on your business premises on a working day, it is also FBT exempt. So obviously keeping records of the amount you spend on the function and the number of employees and people that attend, where it's held, who attends exactly, and the value and the type of the gifts if you're giving those. It is worth noting, however, if with your Christmas function you provide a taxi fare for your attendees, that taxi fare gets added to the per head cost of the function. So it may tip you over the $300. So just be mindful of that. Now, that's kind of the good news. The bad news is, if the cost of your Christmas party is exempt from FBT, then it isn't tax deductible for income tax purposes. So whilst you don't pay FBT if it's under $300 per head, you can't claim a tax deduction for it. In order to claim a tax deduction, it would actually have to be over $300 per head, but then you're paying FBT. So it's a little bit of the tax office having their cake and eating it too, which is not ideal. To add more confusion, however, gifts to employees can be FBT exempt, but are tax deductible, and you can claim the GST. So just be mindful of what you can claim, what you can't claim, what taxes you're going to be up for, because that can be a problem. And just finally, any parties for clients or suppliers are exempt from FBT, but again, not tax deductible. So just be mindful of what you can and can't claim, and hopefully you don't end up with that tax hangover. Thanks for listening. Hope you found this useful. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.